In a small town nestled between the mountains, there was an old, abandoned train tunnel. Decades ago, a train carrying coal workers derailed inside, trapping everyone. Despite rescue efforts, no one survived. Locals say on misty nights, if you stand near the entrance, you can hear the distant echoes of the train's whistle and the screech of wheels on the tracks. Legend has it that if you enter the tunnel when the moon is full, you might see the shadowy figures of the workers, forever trapped, walking along the tracks. Some say they're still trying to find a way out, but if they notice you watching, they might mistake you for one of their own, and you'll never leave.